Good morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on weather-wise around the area this morning. Got some patchy fog around the area, so certainly keep that in mind as you head out for the morning commute this morning. Temperature is currently 46 degrees at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury, 49 degrees here at the Weather Center in Atwell, and you can see temperatures ranging anywhere from the mid-40s to low 50s, depending on where you look. Warm spot on the map coming in just down near Monroe, coming in 54 degrees this morning. And you can see there are some isolated showers showing up on the radar as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the Storms Prediction Center is showing us in terms of a severe weather threat for today. We continue to stay in that darker or that lighter shade of green, which puts us in at a marginal risk for severe weather. The yellow just to our west there, you see on the left corner of the screen there, that is a slight risk for severe weather, which is an elevated status above where we are right now. We'll continue to see if that were to shift to the east. It has shifted slightly to the east over the last few days, but as of right now, I think we stay in the marginal risk for severe weather. The biggest concern is going to be winds, really more than anything. And here you see the front making its way through the central part of the country, and you can see out ahead of it you've got some showers and thunderstorms going on. In behind it there's some colder air, so a mix of sleet, freezing rain, and snow happening behind it. We won't get any of that wintry precipitation here, unfortunately. It's going to be all rain for us. And again, the bigger story is going to be the fact that the winds are going to be just pounding as we go through the overnight hours, and really for the next couple of days the winds are going to remain gusty. Taking a look at the models and what they're showing, this is 2 a.m. on Friday morning, and you can see the rain starting to make its way through in more of a widespread fashion. We'll see some isolated showers as we head through the evening hours tonight, but the more widespread rain will move in during the overnight hours. So again, this is 2 a.m. You see some rain starting to occur around the county depending on your location, and then by 3 a.m. we could see some heavy rainfall making its way through the county. So don't be surprised if you don't become awakened by some of this rain as it moves through, especially with the winds being as gusty as they'll be. We can see winds gusting up to 40 miles an hour overnight tonight. So certainly something to keep in mind. And this is now 4 a.m. You see continue to see some moderate to heavy rainfall occurring around the county. 5 a.m. still seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall. As we head to 6 a.m., I think areas west of I-85 in the county will probably start to be drying out. Areas to the east will still be getting some rain. And then by 7 a.m., we really start to dry out completely. And as you see, by 8 a.m., things continue to progress along to the east. So we're really going to have to deal with the rain overnight. The key factor for tomorrow is the winds will continue to be gusty even after the rain has cleared the area. The high temperature for Friday is going to take place at midnight tonight. The temperature will continue to drop as we go through the day on Friday. So don't be surprised if conditions are warmer when you leave out in the morning on Friday than they are when you return back home Friday evening. It's certainly going to be one of those kind of days where as the front moves through, it pulls in some much colder air behind it. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back. We'll give you the weather impacts for today, the forecast, and more. All that's coming up right after this. Weather Impact sponsored by Patterson Farm. You saw the details during the break. For more information, visit pattersonfarm.com/all-season pass, and you can get all the details and make your purchase of your passes. Use promo code FARMLOVE to save $15 off through February the 28th. We'll see mostly cloudy skies during the morning hours and to the afternoon. Winds will be out of the south at around 5 to 15 miles an hour, with gusts as high as 25 miles an hour. Isolated showers are possible as we move into the evening hours. Widespread rain moves in for the overnight hours, and we'll see winds during the overnight become stronger out of the south at around 15 to 20 miles an hour, with gusts as high as 40 miles an hour. Rainfall accumulations of 1/4 to 1/2 inch are possible. We could see some localized amounts a little higher than that, depending on how the heavy rain moves through the county and the area. The forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. Mostly cloudy skies during the day today, high of 70. We'll see a 20% chance of rain as we move through the evening hours with a low of 51. On Friday, the high temperature will be at midnight, and the temperature will continue to drop as we go through the day. During the day on Friday, 62 degrees for the high. We'll see rain during the overnight hours come to an end during the day on Friday with a low of, really during the early morning hours on Friday with a low of 28. And then for Saturday, sunny skies, 57 degrees for the high, 26 degrees for the low, with clear skies Saturday evening. On Sunday, 54 degrees for the high, 33 for the low, with mostly clear skies on Sunday evening. Remember the Daytona 500 taking place Saturday or Sunday evening as well in Daytona Beach, Florida. And then on Monday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 63, with a 30% chance of rain moving in for the evening hours on Monday with a low of 50. And then on Tuesday, we'll see 68 degrees for the high with a 70% chance of rain during the day and into the evening, 58 degrees for the low on Tuesday. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Thursday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.